Namaste, children. Today we are going to see about the new lesson, Chapter 5 Introduction to LibreOffice Writer. In this lesson, you can learn new software, that is LibreOffice Writer. Today we discuss about these topics: Introduction to LibreOffice Writer, how to opening a new file, how to saving a file, spell check, text features, and tabs and alignments. So go to first introduction to LibreOffice Writer. So what is LibreOffice Writer? It is a free and open source software. It is a word processor component of the LibreOffice software package. So how to opening a new file in the LibreOffice Writer? To open a LibreOffice Writer application, first select the LibreOffice Writer application on the desktop. It will open a new blank document, or else you can select from the file in the menu bar, or else you can press Ctrl plus N. Now we move into how to save a file in the LibreOffice Writer. To save a new document, simply press Ctrl plus S, or else you can select the file, save in the menu bar. The dialog box will appear on your screen. Now you can enter the file name and select the location and click save. The file will save .odt extension. So what is ODT? Stands for Open Document Text. So we move into tabs and alignments. So first select the text which you want to align. So go to select format alignment from the menu bar. There is the options that is listed: left, right, center, justify. As per your recommend, you can select the option, and you can select icon in the toolbar to change the alignment of the selected text. So how to use the text features? That is how to change the font type, size, style and color. So if you want to change font type, size and style, select the format character to change the format of the text. So it will appear various tabs like font, effects, etc. So first select the tab font in the window to change the style, size, type of the text. So now how to change the font color? It is used to change the font color. Select the text and click the format character and use the font effect tab. And last one is the spell check. So what is spell check? Each word in the document is spelled correctly. So if you want to type incorrect word, it will display the red line of your document. So there is a 3 ways you can use this spell check. First one, click on the spell check icon from the standard toolbar. And second way, select spelling and grammar in tools from the menu bar. Or else you can simply press F7 key in the keyboard. So hope you all understand these topics. We will see the continuation of this lesson in the next video. Thank you, children.